I will try to remember who this is by. This is not going to really help, but I did save some dark chocolates.
Oh yeah.
And I can picture the packaging, and I got it at the Cocoa Festival quite a while.
I made the mistake the other week of going to a hot chocolate place in Cardiff and having a cup of 100% chocolate, hot chocolate with coconut milk. Absolutely delicious, but you shouldn't have that at 5 p.m. because the amount of caffeine in that, I was awake all night.
Yeah.
It was a big mistake.
Talking of Welsh chocolate.
This is lovely. I really like this.
I'm pretty sure it's around 90, 95, possibly 100.
I mean, it's incredibly bitter. But it's very, very nice.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's a little bit dark for me. I'm not pure goth when it comes to my chocolate.
See, I can deal with the bitter.
Yeah. And I'm still just laughing at the thought of what would happen if we gave it to Owen. We would not just give it to him. Right, so this one is actually from Wales, since you mentioned. Kerwent Craft Chocolate. I think it's pronounced Kerwent. I hope I'm not. Yeah, I think so. Yes. So this is Peruvian, and we're on 75% artisan bean to bar.
So it's made in Wales from beans from Peru.
That's it.
Gotcha. And it's how many percent?
75.
Okay.
So we're going down.
I think I've had this brand.
Think you have?
Yeah.
In Wales?
In Dublin, actually.
Oh. You didn't actually. Right.
Show me the cover. Oh no, I've not had that. I really trust the Great Taste Award stars.
Yes. And this has got that looks like a gold from 2025. It's very interesting compared to the other one. It's just it.
It's quite biscuity. Malty.
You're right. Now there is natural vanillin in cacao. Malty, yeah. A bit of creaminess, a bit of without disappearing up the back passage of reviewing. Cottage cheese. Reminds me of cottage cheese. I really like cottage cheese.
Yeah.
And of course, it doesn't have any milk in it. It's vegan.
Very, very nice.
Cocoa beans, sugar, cocoa butter. Moving swiftly on. Another Peruvian. These from which country is it made in? Okay, Netherlands. Okay, so Heinde Verre. I wasn't sure if it would be what were we? Oh, I know. I was at a bat walk last week.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you have to start hanging upside down. But also, yeah, I went with a bat expert, and she was pointing out the thing that one of the biggest bats lives on, and it was agave. And she said she didn't know whether it was pronounced, how it was pronounced. You see, she didn't know how it was pronounced. And because we're at the Also Festival, which is just full of main boxes, I said it's agave because it's Spanish. And so then there was a silence, and later on, so she said, so this is the agave that they eat. I thought, okay, I'll shut up. No, rhymes with the, I know. Okay.
Speaking of that, I've just had delivered the essay by what's his face, what's his chops, thingamajiggy. What's it like to be a bat?
Oh, okay.
What's it called? By Thomas. I can't remember his name.
I might have.
Famous philosophy essay.
Oh, okay. then I don't know. But if it wasn't Bertrand Russell, I don't know, because I'm just reading him at the moment. He's good. I'm reading his book on how to be happy. Well, about happiness. Written in the 1930s, just like smashes it. You just don't really need to read any other books about how to be happy.
Great.
He's so rude about religions. No, he's not rude. He's honest. But he says, if you believe in a thing and you really attach yourself to that thing, you can make yourself ridiculously happy. Because you just don't have to worry about anything, because you're genuinely certain that this entity will look after you. Until that point at which the farmer wrings your neck. That's a completely different Bertrand Russell story. But yeah, that, you can just, everything's fine.
Well, it's having something outside of yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess that. So this is another Peruvian one, which is why I got it out here. This is 71%. And this is another one which is also Peruvian, but this is the autumn 2023 batch, but it's fine, it's still in date. Yeah, it's fine until 2027, so I guess they just kept the beans. So this is the Dutch one.
Thank you.
I don't know what I thought about that last one. I was too busy thinking about bats.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Chocolate everywhere. Okay. I am influenced by packaging. I am. We all are. We try not to be, but we are. And so this comes into these lovely little packets. I cut mine carefully with scissors, and somebody ripped that. I don't know who it was, but we suspect Nicholas. But he doesn't watch the channel, so we'll never find out. Yeah. So this is the... okay.
It's really good.
Yes. This is the Single Origin 2 Harvests. Now that's interesting, because if we do bring it back to perfumery, you've got 2 harvests from exactly the same place, produce completely different chocolates. It's like getting your roses from one year, or your mandarin oranges from another year, and the reasons why the essential oils are different, because the terroir, the conditions, the amount of water, the sunshine, it affects them. So the autumn 2023 harvest, the El Nino harvest, from Heinde Verre, possibly something, because it's Dutch. I know, I don't speak Dutch. I apologise. But yeah, them.
Someone watching this will speak Dutch.
Yeah, and they'll laugh.
Inevitably write in the comments.
All that is important is that they laugh. I just want them to be amused. That's all, not insulted.
And to correct us in the comments.
Oh, goodness knows what the captions are going to say. I'm just going to... Sometimes I'm just leaving that. I'm just going to skip that and ignore you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Peruvian, this is 71%. Also with Dutch beet sugar.
Ooh.
Yeah, so it's a Peru, Netherlands collab.
Nice.
You want a bit more of this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please. Great. Is that all of them?
Yeah, that's it.
You said that there was a delivery that was cancelled because it's been too hot recently.
Yeah, this is true. My May one never turned up at all. And I keep saying my May one, and I thought maybe they actually didn't charge me for it, so I should stop complaining about it. But yeah, so that one, this one, and the baby one.
Well, thank you.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'll have some. You're welcome.
Should we talk about perfume?